Dear students, we will just discuss a clinical case just to find out what is this case. See that is the axilla, right axilla. There is a swelling here. So it may be sometimes bilateral also, especially in the female. Common in young age group, maybe adults in 20 to 40 year age group. Just what is it? It is hypertrophied axillary pad of fat. It's very, very common, especially in the females. Problem is it's cosmetically important. Often it is painful also. And some dragging pain also will be there. So differential diagnosis is hypertrophied breast in the axillary tail of this one. You know that. Accessory breast also common in the axilla. Maybe accessory breast also in the axilla. Otherwise, it's hypertrophied breast in the axillary tail of the pens. So either accessory breast or axillary tail of the pens, part of the breast tissue. We know that the breast tissue is a subcutaneous tissue, but part of the breast tissue enters into the axilla through an opening in the deep fascia called as foramen langer, and it comes to the axilla. That is under deep to the deep fascia. So that is called axillary tail of the pens. This axillary tail, which is deep to the deep fascia, unlike in the main bulk of the breast tissue, which is in the subcutaneous plane, which may get hypertrophied, may cause painful swelling. Often it may be bilateral, like similar hypertrophied axillary pad of fat also. So one of these two things are possible in this patient. And other than that, accessory breast tissue also, commonest site of accessory breast tissue, you know that it is in the axilla. It is an MCQ question also. So accessory breast, which may be painful, also maybe another possibilities which you have to think of. So Derkham's disease is different. It is painful fat. Spelling mistake. Painful fat deposition, which is more common in females, can be nodular, diffuse, mixed. It is not related to any malignancy, remember. Derkham's this is not related to any malignancy. It won't turn into malignancy also, but it's mistaken for lipedema or fibromyalgia. It is treated with diet and exercise. NSAID infection with the different drugs are used. Sometimes you have to do the surgical removal. Now this one, hypertrophied axillary fat is removed cosmetically, is required when it is painful. So often it's bilateral, it's done under GA. Once you exercise, it closes the skin with the final sutures. And cosmetic acceptance care is available because skin is lax there. So that is this condition, hypertrophied axillary pad of fat. So hypertrophied axillary tail of the pens is again same, because I already told to the foramen langer it comes. It can be accessory breast tissue also. Even if that we have to confirm that there is no breast lump in the normal situation. So we have to do a ultrasonal mammogram of the both breast and axilla. Confirm that thing is there. Once you confirm that, I think that you may have to do a finish of this swelling. If you are thinking it's accessory, it is axillary tail of the pens or accessory breast tissue. Then you exercise it under GA again, like excision is same like hypertrophied axillary pad of fat. This is after suturing, after excision under GA. This is the hypertrophied axillary pad of fat. And so you can always read my SRB's manual of surgery for detail about this, and also clinical methods in surgery also for this. And answer the MCQ student. Commonest site of subphrenic abscess formation is A, B, C, D. Put the right answer in the comment box. I appreciate your answer. Michaelis Getman bodies are hallmark of A, B, C, D. Find out the right answer. I appreciate your right answer because it's very common as the MCQ question in the NEET exam and also in exam MCQs, usual exam MCQs. And I'll appreciate your answer, acknowledge, and put the right answer later in the comment box. Quotation of the day is: be kind, but don't let people abuse you. Just because you are kind, don't allow somebody to get into your usual thing and trouble you. Don't allow them to abuse you. But in that, be very strong to prevent that. Even though kind, be kind, but be strong. It is the point which is very important. Be affirmative. It is the point, very, very important in surgical site. And students, please go through my YouTube channel, SRB Surgical Insight. Subscribe the channel, press the bell, and share with your friends and colleagues, and update your surgical knowledge about clinical cases daily, instruments, specimens, operative procedure, small complications, everything for 8 to 10 minutes lecture daily will update your knowledge. It will help you learn surgery leisurely, interestingly actually. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell, share with your friends and colleagues. And students, I request you to have my Manual of Surgery, SR Manual of Surgery current edition with a lot of illustrations, photos, quotations, covers oxy, everything, general surgery, GA surgeries, breast, thyroid, specialties, peripheral disease, venous diseases, parathyroid, adrenal, and differential diagnosis for mass abdomen, urology, cardiothoracic neurosurgery, and operative surgery, briefly instruments, specimen, briefly instrument, specimen, instruments, adjuvant therapy, anesthesia, all chapters are covered. Quotations are there with the principles, with the management policies, everything, with the staging for malignancies. Everything is covered as for syllabus. And to understand, have your knowledge, use my SRB manual of surgery for your exam and to understand surgery as such. And also request to have my clinical methods in surgery, which contains examination of all chapters, general examination, hernia, hydrocele, breast, thyroid, peripheral disease, varicose veins, swelling, ulcer, abdomen examination, urology examination, specialty cases examination, briefly orthopedic, and with the instrument, specimen, and images. It will be very well, but no management in this, but with the videos of all examination, hernia examination video, hydrocele video, breast examination, thyroid examination, and other things, and swelling examination, ulcer examination. So have my clinical method surgery to upgrade your clinical knowledge. It's the pillar of the surgery as such because it contains videos, proper photos, and illustrations and clinical principles are there. And all differential lines kept in the tabular form, which is very, very useful for you. So have my clinical method surgery also, and to JP publishers, and also uh, purchase my Digin Our lectures of around 220 through JP Publishers, which covers everything: general surgery, clinical examination, and operative surgery, instrument, specimen, images. As for oxy, all topics are covered. 220 lectures. Purchase these lectures for 1 year. It will be helpful to you to learn surgery before exam. Everything is covered. It will be useful. So please purchase my YouTube channel. You purchase my Diginow lectures through JP Publishers. Have my SRB manual surgery. Have my clinical method surgery, and subscribe freely my YouTube channel SRB Surgical Insight to upgrade your surgical knowledge and share with your friends and colleagues. Students, I hope you have understood this lecture very well. Thank you so much.